Hey everyone, Mrs. E here with our next Rainbow Words Common Exception Word video. Here we go. Our first word this week is minute. Minute. I'll be there in a minute. Can you see it? Right in the middle of the mat. There it is. Looks like minute, doesn't it? 1 minute. All right, so min, M-I-N, easy. N-U-T, we can see the word nut in there with an E on the end. It takes me a minute to put my shoes on. Minute. That sounds like it should be min-it, but just remember it's got that up in it to make minute. Our next word to find is mention. Mention. There it is in the middle of the mat. Mention. So it's got that shun on the end of it. So it's men, as in a group of men. So we've got a word within a word there that can help us. And then shun. T-I-O-N, this one, to help you remember. Did I mention to you that the party is next week? Our third word to find this week is medicine. Medicine. There it is next to mention. Medicine. So we've got med, I, sign, looks like. There's the end of the word that you might find tricky there with that split digraph, I-N-E. So instead of saying medicine, it says medicine. When I'm unwell, I must remember to take my medicine. Our final word to find this time is natural. Natural. There it is in the middle of the mat. Natural. So we can use our sounds pretty much for the whole of this word. Natural. Natural. We live in a beautiful natural environment. Okay, let's see. Can you remember all of our 4 words this week? So there's going to be a clue behind. See if you can write down the word you think it is. People. Don't forget you can pause the video. I bet you get there before I do. Lots of people talking. So it's not going to be natural, is it? I know these people are mentioning things to each other. Can you write down mention? Mention. Well done. M-E-N-T-I-O-N. Mention. What's hiding this time? Looks like a clock. Which one of our words had something to do with a clock? I bet you know now. That's right. The clock signifies time. I'll be there in a minute, the person might be saying, or I'm timing you for a minute. Can you write down minute? Remember, it's not min-it, it's min-ut. Great job. M-I-N-U-T-E. Here's number 3. Oh, this is easy. I can see lots of pills and bottles. This one is medicine, isn't it? Can you write down the word medicine? Great job if you spelt it right. M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E. And our final word today. I bet some of you know what it's going to be before I take away the squares. Lots of beautiful green fields. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's God's natural world. Can you write down the word natural on your pad. Natural. Pause the video if you need more time. And there it is. Natural. Remember, you can use your sounds for that one. Natural. Great job. So keep practicing. Hopefully you will get full marks in this week's spelling test. Good luck. See you soon.